AAVO Education, do-it-yourself rental. Promoting a timeshare rental can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can attract potential renters. Here are some steps to help you effectively promote your timeshare rental. Create an attractive listing. Take high-quality photos of your timeshare unit, showcasing its amenities, views, and interior. Write a compelling description highlighting the features, location, nearby attractions, and any special amenities. Include pricing, availability, and contact information. Use online listing platforms. Utilize popular vacation rental websites like AAVO, VRBO, Booking.com, or HomeAway to list your timeshare. Make sure your listing is complete with all necessary details and has a competitive price. Leverage social media. Share your timeshare rental listing on your social media profiles and ask friends and family to help spread the word. Join timeshare-related groups or forums to share your listing with a relevant audience. Consider timeshare exchange networks. If your timeshare is part of a network like RCI or Interval International, ensure your listing is active in their systems to reach a broader audience. Create a website or blog. Build a simple website or blog dedicated to your timeshare rental, providing detailed information, photos, and contact details. Optimize the site for search engines, SEO, to improve its visibility. Engage in email marketing. Collect email addresses from interested parties and send them regular updates on availability, special offers, and local attractions. Offer incentives. Consider offering discounts for longer stays, early bookings, or referrals. Provide guest reviews or testimonials to build trust with potential renters. Partner with local businesses. Establish partnerships with local businesses, such as restaurants, tour operators, or spas, to offer special discounts or packages to your renters. Respond quickly and professionally. Respond promptly to inquiries and maintain a professional and friendly tone in your communications. Collect and showcase reviews. Encourage guests to leave positive reviews on your rental listings, as positive reviews can significantly boost your credibility and attract more renters. Offer flexibility. Be flexible with check-in and check-out times to accommodate guests' needs whenever possible. Keep your calendar updated. Regularly update your rental availability calendar to prevent inquiries for dates that are already booked. Advertise locally. Consider placing ads in local newspapers or magazines if your timeshare is located in a popular tourist destination. Attend trade shows and events. If feasible, participate in travel and vacation trade shows or events to network and promote your timeshare. Legal compliance. Ensure you comply with all local and state regulations and tax laws related to timeshare rentals. Remember that promoting a timeshare rental may take time, especially if it's in a competitive market. Continuously refine your marketing strategies based on feedback and performance data to improve your rental's visibility and attract more renters.